Hey, it's Jules here. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. This is just a quick word explaining what you're going to find here. I have been an illustrator for a whole heap of cosmic-sized years, and to date I have 10 children's books published and 2 on the way. I know my way around making and marketing children's books, and I use a bullet journal to make my days as productive as humanly possible. On Fridays every week I post videos on drawing, planning and publishing. And if you want to see my books, I will post a link next to this video. Stick around to see videos on how to draw, planning your bullet journal and publishing your children's books. Get in touch with me if you'd like me to cover a subject that you haven't seen here yet, either on YouTube, Facebook or Instagram, or you can contact me via my website. Make sure you subscribe and ding the bell next door to it for updates on all of my shenanigans. That's it. I'm done. You can get on with the rest of your day now. I'm off to eat a mince pie because as far as I'm concerned, every day is a mince pie day. Nanu nanu!